trapping.
Sleep. The rest of me is stay the fuck awake. I get to work. But it is really, really cold out here today. Freezing. Wow, it is cold. Very bitter. But the only part of me that feels cold is my face. The rest of me is wrapped up. I make sure I wear all the gear, got all the gear on all the time. But I'm going to do a vlog on gear and what gear you should wear and what gear I wear. Really and truly, and what helmet I wear. And what helmet saved me in my accident. Really, so it's always good to wear a helmet that is of a certain range. And it's always good to spend a certain amount of money on a good helmet and good biker gear, because when you hit the ground you're going to wish you did spend that money. Next I did my checks, checking everything, looking out for the cars and vehicles, come a little bit out in the road, do my shoulder check to come back in, shoulder check on this, just to go on the outside, but sometimes it's slippery on the middle. When it comes to zebra crossing, I always like to go past the black part of the zebra crossing on the tarmac part. Usually the white part sometimes is slippery. See, look, got some rebel behind me speeding on an icy day. Look at that. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Looks like a beautiful piece of motorbike. Well, look how he's speeding. He's so angry to get past. But he'll be the motorcyclist, first one to come off. And first one to start crashing when he gets hit. I don't know what happened there, I slipped. Fuck it off. Can't believe that first time happened to me. Oh. Can't believe that. Missed the gear. No panic though. Just put it back down, put it into gear. So you look at that. The guy's gone. Look how far up the road he's gone. I'm going 23 at the moment. So she's getting in a 20-mile-an-hour zone. See, look, he's overtaking. I ain't going fast. There's no way I'm gonna go fast. I could put down my foot and go really fast. Could go 40 miles an hour like most of these people around here. But what's the point? I mean, my safety comes before anyone else's. It's me one on the bike by myself. Nothing's protecting me around me. And they can speed past, but all of them, there's speed camera coming up. All of them would have to stop for the speed camera. Sorry about that. I had to do a little burp there. That's how it goes. Fucking hell. Feel like I swallowed a fly. But there ain't going to be no bloody flies out here. Look. Racing. Look, watch this. Watch this. See, look. I'm going at 23. Yeah? Now look. I'm going to have to slow down a little bit because it's 20 miles an hour the speed camera. Look at that. They're speeding past me. They're speeding past me just to go 20 miles an hour. Because you're at a speed camera. So they're willing to overtake you in the bad weather conditions. They know that the road's slippery, the floor is slippery. See, look at that. Both of them overtake me. And look, I'm coming to meet them right now. Both vehicles overtook me. In icy conditions. So the floor is wet and very smooth. Well, shoulder check before I pull out. Before I go in, another shoulder check. See, look, another